Hi everyone, this is DTM VDS. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Android Studio. So you can go to my website and here and then just type in the link or just go to this link if you want, the developer.android.com/studio. And because I'm using the Windows, the PC version, so I just click this one. And if you are Macintosh, maybe you have the other option. So anyway, I just click this one and then just read the regulation, the terms and conditions if you want, and then just press OK. So it takes some time to this one like this minute, and just wait a bit of time, and then after download the application, and then we just double click it and open, and then just follow the procedure to install the Android Studio. So as you see, you just double click to install it and follow the procedure. Okay. And then I will install it in the root directory. I just don't change anything. So if you want, you can change. But I recommend to just install the default path. And this is very important. Yeah. Before I install the Unity, most of the time I just install the Android Studio first. Okay, so I press finish and do not import. Because I don't need to do anything. Just sharing, I just don't send it. It's okay. So if you got this scene, and what you need to do next, maybe do some update. It's okay, I think, because when you are, let me see what is this. I have to restart it, right? Just restart it. Okay, where's the next? Maybe I use the standard, and then I'm not professional about using the Android Studio, but when you are trying to develop your games in mobile, like the Android mobile, and you have to install this Android Studio. So you just know the basic setup, and then you can just use it, and you can just create your game in the Unity. Okay. So this is why I just show you how to do it in a simple way. Just do some simple setup, and then in the future you will use it. Do you want to allow to make some changes? Okay, yes. So okay, finish. So maybe you have the same scene as me. After you see this screen, okay, go to the SDK manager, and the next option I need to click is let me see, and check your, first of all, you check your, for example, when you are using the Unity and then you want to test your game on your Android mobile phone, check your version of your mobile phone. For example, my Android version I supposed to be 11. So I just click this one. This one already installed, so I just don't need to do anything. I just click this one, and before I press OK, I have to, one more setup is the Google USB driver. Why I just click this, why I check this up? Because if you don't check it up, you cannot link your mobile phone to your PC, to the USB driver. So this is why you have to do that. So if everything, I think these two setup is the requirement for you to do any like development of the mobile game. So press apply button and then press OK, accept the terms, and just wait for them to finish the installation, and that's it. Because it's this 2021, I just see what anything happen and just follow my procedure. I think that's it. And in the future, when you test your game on your mobile phone, it is so simple. So it's already done, right? You see it's already installed, and here is already installed. And then press OK, and then actually your Android Studio is already done. Nothing you need to change anything. By the way, I still remind you that in order to test your mobile phone on Unity, you still need to set up the developer setting on your mobile phone. But for this part, I will introduce and show you how to do it when we do that on the Unity section. So stay tuned with me, and I will see you in the next video. So if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe me so you can support me for the future. Thanks for your help, and I will be see you next time. This is DDM 3DS.